In celebration of National Seafood Month, we are sharing some of the health benefits you can reap by including seafood in your weekly meal plan.
Great for health at any age, seafood is low in saturated fats, rich in protein, and packed full of important nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and B vitamins, all nutrients that are essential in maintaining health.
And one standout nutrient seafood can offer is omega-3s, which are brain-boosting nutrients that offer an anti-inflammatory benefits throughout the body.
Omega-3 fatty acids can also reduce heart-related risk by lowering our cholesterol, decreasing blood pressure, and reducing inflammation in the arteries.
And adults should be aiming to consume 8 ounces of seafood per week, and this can fit into your weekly eating plan by eating about 4-ounce portions 2 times per week. To regularly add seafood into your meal rotation, try these quick dish and a dash recipes.
Yes, a choice to switch up your routine is swordfish, actually. And I know a lot of people can be intimidated by swordfish, but it's a lean protein choice. It's an excellent source of vitamin D, and it offers over 100% of the daily requirement for selenium, which acts as an antioxidant, protecting against cell damage, and plays a key role in thyroid hormone metabolism. And a simple way to feature swordfish into your meal plan is by grilling it just for a few minutes and serving it with a flavorful bruschetta, featuring juicy Roma tomatoes, basil, and fiber-filled white beans or black-eyed peas. Serve with crusty crostini on a bed of greens for a hearty and flavorful dish that packs in a ton of nutrients like 11 grams of fiber, 40 grams of protein, plus iron, vitamin D, and potassium.
And I think what's cool, as you mentioned, swordfish can kind of be intimidating, but that's a straightforward way to do that. And then I love that Food City has those Full Circle Market brand frozen kind of portion fish, which make it so convenient.
And it thaws very quickly too, even if you thawed that day or just a few minutes before.
It's good to go, of course. And salmon is an excellent source of those omega-3 fatty acids we were talking about earlier, and it's also rich in B vitamins. And a fun way to kind of feature salmon is in a customizable power bowl. And this one is a sweet and savory dish and a dash that's going to feature some quick cooking rice, a fresh pop of color from pineapple, fresh bell pepper, and then I like to use frozen edamame for even more plant-based protein in there. And then we're going to season that up with a little bit of sweet Thai chili sauce from our Full Circle Market at Food City. And this is going to roast in just 15 minutes, so you just put a little bit of sauce on your salmon, pop it in the oven, and then everything else comes together in under 15 minutes while it cooks. We love that quick option for getting fish on the plate.
Yes, absolutely. I've just been admiring how beautifully plated that is. Lots of color.
Yes.
Yes. Well, seafood is a nutritious and easy to prepare protein to incorporate into your weekly meals. And Food City seafood specialists can help with preparation tips, seasoning ideas, or they can steam fresh in store.
For more inspired ways to reap the nutrient benefits of seafood, visit foodcity.com.